This is a polyester. It is about 1/3 of an inch loft, so it gives you a lot of definition. If you want a comforter look, you certainly can double it up and get that heavier look, more definition, but it's lightweight, it's breathable. The teens in particular love cuddling up in it. The loft, I'm sorry, can hide a lot of imperfections in your piecing. Or if you say you've got a quilt that Aunt Sue made in 1925 and they just found it in a cedar chest, it was pieced by hand, not perfectly flat. In the business, we call it B cups because sometimes those blocks have a little bit of curve to them. Polyester batting with a little loft is a lifesaver for those quilts because that will fill in the imperfections and give you a beautiful flat look when you're done to the quilt top. You'll still have the loft of the batting. You'll have great definition. It also is a wonderful option for faux or punto work. So if you like to do applique or you like to do a lot of custom quilting or you quilt densely, it's going to lay fairly flat, leaving a lot of puff on your applique or maybe in your feather border or wherever you're trying to emphasize the appearance. It is very easy to hand quilt. You just squish it as you go and stitch through it. It does resist bearding because of the bonding. The only drawback to Quilters Dream Puff is because of that thermal bond. You cannot get it super hot. So this is not the batting to send to college with someone not knowing how to do laundry.